Good.
Alright. What's up, everybody?
Hello.
Oh, they can't even hear us.
They can.
Good.
There we go.
Yeah. Okay. You're here with
Alright.
week
What's up,
5,
everybody?
Division 4.
Alright, so who are we looking at this division tonight? Let's see. We have Abyss, Ambrose, Kaiju Jones, I believe it's Prada Vibes. What is it? I don't remember. B-Vibes. Waxon, and Pope Declan. Any predictions?
Yeah.
Fish?
I don't know. I think Ambrose will probably play well. I want to see something good from Waxton. I think is
I'm thinking we
Waxton can play well.
I'm thinking we see an Ambrose promotion.
Yeah.
I'm not sure who the other would be though. It could be I'm thinking Abyss, Kaiju, and Ambrose are like the three that would promote. Like if three could promote, I think it'll be out of those three that one of them will promote. But then you have Waxon, who was pretty close to that, and Pope Declan, who's also pretty close to that. So I think it all comes down to what happens during the actual match itself. If something goes wrong, whatever works, whatever doesn't. So.
Yeah. Agree.
We'll get started here in a couple minutes. Yeah. Gonna be a fun night, hopefully.
Yes. Should be.
Two, one.
Alright, let's get this match underway.
Match underway.
Looks like both alliances making 2 out of 3 of their preloads. Race for the midline. Amber is choking on the intake, but makes it finally.
It's like red
Looks like
won
some
the
auto D on blue. Possibly 2 counts, but we'll have to look at we'll have to see what our ref says after the match.
Yeah. Looks like we got Waxton on the cleanup for blue and Ambrose cleaning up for red. See how that goes. So they're both talented cleaners.
Blue has not scored very much after auto, but here they are, ready to amplify. Red already done with their first amp cycle. Abyss really locking down Waxon with the defense. Waxon missing the last shot, which keeps the Red Alliance in the lead.
Yeah.
So far, pretty even match. Looking like not a lot of feeds on the blue side because they have a waffles and a citrus, whereas the Red Alliance has 2 mini drones. Abyss with the double shot into the speaker makes them both. Kaiju with the double shot into the speaker misses them both.
Oh. And the zone foul on Brother Vibes. B Vibes.
I'm looking like Red Alliance having a 30-point lead. Kind of crucial here in the last 45 seconds. Blue Alliance is going to need to do a lot of scoring in this amp cycle. Red Alliance just finished their amp cycle. So, I don't know. It'll all come down to endgame, I guess. But I think Red Alliance takes this one.
Yeah. Blue Alliance is just not getting enough notes. So you can see it's 33 to 25 right now. 37 to 26. Just has more notes. 5 seconds. Trapped by
looks like an attempted
trapped by
Harvey over
Pope
on red,
Declan.
and they get it last second, I believe. I
Yeah.
believe we'll wait for results to see if there was auto D or not on that Blue Alliance, but
Yeah. Not sure if there was.
I don't believe
We'll
this
see.
is the official score. We will see from our referee. But I'd say for the first match, pretty good. I
Yeah.
think the Lions has had some things they can work on, but I think we'll see it get better as the night goes on.
Yes, it definitely will. Like it always has for every other division in every week.
Pretty much.
But good start to this week's ladder 4, Division 4.
I believe our referee is just rewatching it.
Yeah, sorry, just give me a second here.
All good. To be honest, that is exactly how I expected that match to go, with the Red Alliance coming out on top. Purely because they have the mini drones, whereas your Blue Alliance on this match, they don't have the mini drone experience, and they played Waffles and Citrus for the feeding, and their cleaner wasn't as experienced due to not playing the game. But all good. Hopefully they can get their win in the next match.
Yep.
This is just one count of auto D in that last match.
All right.
In favor of the Blue Alliance.
In favor of the Blue Alliance?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's gonna be +5 to red or blue, I guess. Still a red win. But we are gonna see the total points in just here in a second. So obviously our winning alliance up in first, second and third, and then the other three in third, fourth, and fifth. Or fourth, fifth, and sixth. These next matches, or this next match that we're gonna look at is, let's see, who's switching? Abyss and Pope Declan are swapping. Abyss and Pope Declan, they can both. It looks like now the Blue Alliance will have a mini drone, and Pope Declan will probably be the Waffles for this Red Alliance now. But who knows?
Nope. Jesus sticking with Citrus.
He is sticking to Citrus, alright. We'll see how that works out for him.
Yeah,
Hopefully
last
well.
match he played pretty well on Citrus.
Yeah, I think everybody played pretty
Games.
well last match. The
Yeah,
problem was just no mini drone for that Blue Alliance.
yeah. Then you got Abyss on Waffles this time. And then Waxon's playing Citrus. No auto D's there.
Yeah, pretty crazy. Auto, or not crazy at all, auto. Just a normal 50 to 40 something. You see a lot of these autos, and I think they are very common because everybody gets the same amount of notes from the midline. But starting here, our Red Alliance is already amplifying. Blue is attempting to amplify. We'll see them both scoring. Still decently close. Red Alliance has a 15-point lead over your Blue Alliance. Red Alliance is playing some defense, and it's just really messing up the Blue Alliance cleaners. I believe there was a foul right there. I didn't see what it was. And now Blue Alliance just only 10 points behind. Red Alliance amplifying, though, just extending their lead. Now it's up to 20 points. Blue Alliance about to amplify.
couple missed shots from Ambrose and Kaiju Jones, but so they're healthy on notes for the Red Alliance. So another double coming in. And we got an amplified period on blue with Pope Declan defending. So Ambrose going for the steal and he gets it. He's able to put it in the end pretty smoothly.
Last 20 seconds. Blue line's
Yeah.
under the red stage, but nobody getting the foul off of it.
Oh,
Capitalizing on the foul for the 10 points.
G424.
Looks like we'll have a possible what's it called?
And Red gets a harmony.
Last second trap by Abyss on that Blue Alliance.
Doesn't get it. Yeah, so your final score is 167 to 137. Didn't look like there was auto D. So it's looking like that score is
clean
gonna
match.
stand.
Alright, score will stand. Clean match. Looking at that teleop score, I mean, the Red Alliance just scored so many more than the Blue Alliance in that match during telly. I think just all of these matches are going to be very different. I believe Ambrose is now undefeated. It's only 2 matches in though, so a lot could happen. I think, to be honest, we can see what's it called? The Blue Lions winning this next match, but we will have to see.
Possible.
You never know.
Yeah, could go either way.
Anything's possible.
Each alliance has their strong players, so this will be probably the most even match that we've had so far. Looks like we're about ready to get this match started. I hope. It's like each alliance has all their robots, with Red Alliance having 2 waffles and 1 mini drone. Yep, and we're underway.
Both alliances only having 1 mini drone. We'll make this match a little more even, just because there won't be as many feeds. Blue Alliance having a lot of notes to clean up at their subwoofer for this auto period. I think we're just gonna see a lot of everything in this match. It could go either way. Very even match.
Yeah. Yep. We got Pope Declan cleaning up on blue and Ambrose cleaning up on red, like we've seen the past 2 matches. So, see how that goes. It's like red doesn't have that many notes, but then blue has quite a few. So pretty much equal right now for score.
Still could go either way. I mean,
Yeah.
there we go with that
Wax
foul.
is playing defense.
With that foul, it puts the scores insanely close together. This is one of the this is the closest match we have seen today. And I
Yeah.
think honestly it could go either way, obviously, but it is still anyone's game.
Oh, Waxon almost getting a foul there. He gets a steal. Oh. No, Waxon playing too aggressive, tries to get the steal, and he's gotten 2 zone fouls. Rose amplifies. Oh, misses that one. Another zone foul on Waxton. Gets a steal though. Oh, looks like Blue is going to win the match though.
Looks like we have Blue's first win, which means Ambrose's first loss. Let's see where they. So again, the teleop score. I mean, Blue just dominated Red in the teleop score. I believe nobody is undefeated. Is that...
Nobody is undefeated anymore. That was obviously the closest match. 13-point differential. So it was pretty close the whole way until the end when Blue just had more notes left and they could score more amplified notes.
This score will probably stand, but we'll see from what our reps has to say. Okay, so yes, Kaiji Jones and Ambrose both losing their undefeated streak. Brada Vibes and Waxon both getting their first win. Oh wait, no. Sorry. Waxon getting his first win. Brada Vibes is still 0-3 if this score stands.
There is a rule call. I just can't remember if it's a foul or a tech foul. Waxton shot illegally in auto, passing a note from outside of the line.
Okay.
So I can't remember if it's 2 or 5 points, but I will figure it out in a second.
I think that was a tech.
I thought it was.
Or I think it was 5. I think it was a 5-point foul.
It's not match affecting either way, but
no.
Okay, so
I'll give it 5 points for now, and then I'll look at it in a second.
Okay, so there's a call. Waxon shot went over an auto, like you heard. So score still, or it's still not match affecting. Your Blue Lions still wins. I don't know by how many, but they win. So Barada Vibes still looking for his first win. It's okay though, we're only 3 matches in. Waxon getting his first win. Oh wait, did I say that wrong? Oh wait, no, I didn't.
Waxon got his.
It just hasn't gotten updated yet. I was looking at it. Spreadsheet has not been updated yet. All good though.
Yep, tech foul is the call for a close shot in auto. So that's +5 to the red light.
Yep, so your score is 143 to 151. Yes. So B-Vibes, or Brada Vibes, whatever you want to call him, he is still looking for his first win. And otherwise, all across the board, besides Waxon and B-Vibes, it is 2. They are all 2-1. Looks like Ambrose and Kaiju Jones have not been apart yet. This will be their last match together. So they have the same amount of total points, leading with 484. Even after that loss, they still have the most amount of total points. So we will see their last match together here in a second.
Yeah.
Looks like our match
Match
is underway.
Looks like Red got 3 of those midline notes.
Can they score them all is the question. No, they cannot. So Red got the
No.
majority of the notes from the midline and still lost an auto because they couldn't make their shots. It's okay though. They're already ready to amplify with those extra notes, but I don't think Ambrose is going to start the amp cycle yet due to waiting for more. Now they have 5 notes to amplify with if they choose to do so. Now it's 4 because B-Vibe stole one.
B-Vibes with a clean steal, couple notes in the middle.
Now they're amplifying.
Yeah. And both of those counted. Oh, Ambrose with a clean steal. And Waxton's trying to defend Pope Declan on the Blue Alliance. Like, there's a good amount of notes there. Clean up. Oh, Waxton tried to steal and he gets the note, but he gets a foul, and as a result. Oh, and another foul by Waxton.
So still a very close match. With those fouls, it puts the score to 106 or 106 to 110. Red Alliance ready to amplify. Ambrose doing spinning around in circles. We'll
Yeah, it
see.
looks like he had a note stuck on the robot. Just had to spin that off.
Red Alliance amplification. So
15
excited. Whoa.
seconds. See what happens with these last 15 seconds.
Blue Line's trying to amplify, but it looks like they're just driving
Oh.
around. Oh, with the foul that
5,
puts them in the lead.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Makes the shot, gets the climb.
Oh,
Ooh, very close match. I am very
very
surprised
close match.
that
We'll
the Red
see
Alliance
what
can
happened
win
in
with them.
auto, because Waxton may have
I believe it was
shot
clean, but you never
another.
know.
Waxton may have shot another note
Did he?
from
I didn't see it.
outside the wing. May have. That was much closer than last game, too.
So we'll see if this stands.
Score does stand, yeah.
Stands.
Right.
So Red Alliance winning that match by 2 points. 148 to 146. That's gonna keep B-Vibes winless, sadly. And then Ambrose and Kaiju Jones end their matches 3-1. Pretty respectable performance. Then they'll split up and play some more matches.
Interesting to see these tiebreakers here. How, despite currently being winless, B Vibes is not too far behind in point differential, so can definitely still not demote here if he gets some wins.
Yeah.
I think these have been some of B Vibe's worst matchups of the night. So, what's it called?
Yep.
So I think they could get better for him, just with schedule-wise, I mean.
It looks
Yeah.
like we're ready to go, so we'll just switch on over. Sorry to interrupt. Just don't want to miss the
All good.
match.
Yeah.
All good.
We're ready to start.
All right, here we are getting started. Very delayed 3, 2, 1, but looks like everybody making their preload, and
Yep.
B-Vibe stealing one of Waxon's notes. Probably gonna mess up Waxon's auto just a little bit. Not a big deal. Blue Line's still winning that auto mid. I don't think there was any auto D in that middle, but could have been.
Nope. Don't think there was.
It's like both alliances were very careful during that.
Yeah. Looks like we're amplified on red. No defense like we've normally been accustomed to. Ambrose put a decent amount of notes in. Didn't count, but respectable amp period. Then we got Abyss putting in a double, so he gets 1. Then Ambrose cleaning up, getting like 5 in that amp period, probably, or 6. And we got Pope Declan defending Waxton on the Blue Alliance.
Looks like this match has been very close. Red Alliance getting screwed up with the intake, double intake Ambrose over there. Their notes are very spread out, whereas Blue Alliance just doesn't have any. So I think we're gonna see a Red Alliance huge lead here, with this big amp cycle that they have coming. But we will see.
Yeah, we will see. Time's running out on that amp period. So we got Kaiju Jones missing a double. That could cost them. It probably did cost them. 139 to 128 is your final score. See how the refs score that, if there's any changes needed.
Looks clean to me.
Yep. So your final score is 139 to 128.
Looks like we've had a lot of penalties.
1 second, sorry, lied.
Oh, possibly a score change.
Yes, Wax did in fact commit auto D, so it is +5 to red.
So that's +5 to red, not match affecting. Just extra points given to red. And then we can get on to the next match. Which switches B Vibes and Pope Declan. See how that goes. B Vibes still winless. See if he can get another win or get a win here. Very much possible.
I believe it is still possible for him not to demote. He just needs to win a lot of matches.
Yeah, he's got 3 more with Ambrose, who is number 1 right now, so that may help him with getting a win. It's like everybody is on their right alliance, and we're hopefully ready to get started. Alrighty, looks like we're getting started here.
Yep, here we go. Looks like Wax is spitting out his preload. Again, I believe he just got a foul for shooting across the wing line in auto, but we'll see what our ref has to say about that.
Looks like that one was fair. I think he was able to shoot it inside the wing line.
Depends on if you have to be fully inside the wing line, but we will see what our ref says.
Pretty sure you just have to be a little bit in, so yeah.
All good. Figure it out. Still a decently close match. Looks like the only point gap is the one that was from auto.
Yeah, red is amplified right now, so Ambrose putting it in, gets bumped by Waxton, so he misses that shot. Both alliances waiting for some notes. Start amplifying. Looks like blue is ready. Has 5. Ambrose is waiting, but Abyss started with 1 of his own. Counter D'ing Waxton. Blue just finished their amp period.
So, that source foul on the red alliance, and then the amp zone foul on the blue alliance. We're trying to keep this match close. That double feed from, I believe it is, Abyss. That double feed from Abyss, trying to get Ambrose more notes. Blue stealing from right from Red's amp zone without a foul. Ambrose getting played a lot of defense on, which is messing up and letting Blue Alliance get ready for a big amp cycle to take the lead right back, or to extend their lead even more.
Yeah, blue has a lot of notes. It's like 8 or something. So big amp cycle from blue. Didn't end up scoring all of them, but was able to come away with a win in that match.
V-Vibe still has not had his first win. I believe now it is not possible for him to not demote, but I think there's a chance. I'm not sure. We'll have to see when we see our spreadsheet.
I think there is a chance for
if there's someone with 4 wins, then there's a chance. He has to win the rest of his matches if he wants any sort of chance.
Yeah.
I think.
So he has 3 matches against Abyss and 1 with. So yes, he must win every single match left to stay away from demotion. And then we have Kaiju Jones taking first and Ambrose is second. Both 4 and 2. And then Pope Declan is also 4 and 2, but just missing out because of total points. It's a very, very close race for the promotion slots.
Yep. We'll see our spreadsheet here in just a minute. There we go. Okay, so it is possible. So yes, B Vibes is against Abyss in. Oh wait, yeah. If Abyss or wait, hold on, let's see. Yeah, if B Vibes wins all of these next matches, he might not demote. If I did that math correctly.
That is correct. He has to win all 4 of his matches left to avoid demotion.
So it is still possible. It's not over for B Vibes yet. Still anyone's game to promote, to be honest. I mean, 4 wins, a bunch of 4-win people and a bunch of 3-win people. You are going to see quite a few people fighting for that promotion spot, obviously. But it is a very close fight. Nobody can't count anybody out yet. I think you can count B Vibes out, unfortunately.
Yeah. B Vibes is not able to promote, but is still able to
not demote.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. We're just gonna get this next match underway.
Right.
As soon as they're ready.
Yeah. When they're ready. It's like we got couple waffles on blue. Been consistent with everybody playing their roles, and we're underway. Axton able to get 2 from the midline, and like Red coming out with a win auto. It'll be a good match. See how it goes. Red's already ready to amplify. Ambrose starts that. Maybe. At some point. Biss is back to start. Oh, misses both. Started though. It's like amp period on both sides. Waxton's defending blues. It's like not really doing a whole lot, but obviously impactful.
That Red Alliance amplified. Ambrose cleaning up shop over there at the subwoofer. Taking the lead by 29 points.
Ambrose ready to amplify. That started. Got 30 seconds left. About to head into endgame. We got
20 seconds left. Blue Lions needing a big amp cycle here if they want to win.
Yeah.
They just don't have the notes for it, unfortunately.
No, they don't. Just getting that final note in the amp. And your final score is 169 to 138 in favor of your Red Alliance. Unless there's any calls from your ref, that will be your final
score does stand for that one.
All right. That's your final score. And sadly, that is going to lock B Vibes in on the demotion.
That is unfortunate. For B Vibes, hopefully he can come back stronger next week and rank 1 in his division. I hope that. So, Ambrose looking very to demoting or promoting. Thing is, everybody is at 4 wins, so it could go any way.
Yep. In this next match, we got Abyss and Pope Declan switching, and Waxton and B Vibes switching. So we'll see how that affects the outcome of this next match. With the match hopefully getting underway soon. So we got no mini drone on the Red Alliance, but 2 waffles and 1 citrus. Commonly seen a lot of citrus and waffles today. Not many players really switching from many robots, so trying to stay consistent.
I think consistency is key. I mean, if you're good at the robot and it's working for you, go for it.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Let's get this match underway. So it looks like everybody missing their preloads for that Blue Alliance. Guess we'll have to see where that.
Red winning that auto period. Andrew Jones almost getting a steal. Luckily, no foul. Gets the steal there. And blue is ready to amplify, and red is as well. Waxton getting
missing
a steal.
their double shot. That would have put them in the lead. Blue Line's still almost taking that lead, trying to tie it up, and they do tie it up as their amp cycle ends. Red Alliance amplifying now with only like 3 notes, I believe.
Yeah, but Waxton's defending, so Waxton's had some strong defense, but struggles to avoid those amp zone fouls when trying to steal. That's been pretty common in his play. It sometimes worked, sometimes hasn't. Red amplifying here, and so is blue. Blue is out to a pretty good lead here by 20-ish points when we head into endgame. Red is amplified, and they get some extra points here. Are they able to get a stage? No, doesn't look like it. And your final score before added fouls is 150 to 136 in favor of your blue alliance. Check in with the ref to see if that score is final. When the ref is ready, of course. But it looks like your blue alliance is going to take that match.
Yeah, so there's just one count of oddity on Abyss there, so it's going to be +5 to the Red Alliance.
Alright, not much affecting. So your final score will be 150 to 141 in favor of your blue alliance. B-Vibe sadly still 0-8 or winless. Hopefully he is able to come up with a win.
Yeah, still looking for his first win. Hopefully he gets it right here. Has a decent chance to get it. He is against our #1 seed right now. But he is with our #2 seed. So we'll see it.
And #3 seed.
Oh, yeah, he is.
So
he's against the 1 seed.
Yeah.
But he does have the 2 and 3 seed.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that ends up.
And it's a really, really close race for the promotion slots. First 4 are all tied with 5 wins and 3 losses. So these 2 matches are insanely crucial to try and win. And get a high score too. Making sure you get that total points as high as you possibly can as a tiebreaker. We'll hopefully get this match underway.
3, 2,
Yep.
1.
Here we go. B-Vibe's still looking for his first win. Hopefully he gets it right here. Both alliances, everybody made their preload. Very nice to see. Again, this is anybody's match. Hopefully B-Vibes gets his first win.
Looks like Ambrose is switching to mini drone.
That's something you don't see a lot. Could possibly be just less experience, so it could be better for your
Ooh,
B Vibes Alliance, and hopefully for his first win,
yep,
because
of
that
course.
first win is still on the table, not gone.
Blue Alliance is definitely up right now, up by 30 odd points, but here comes Red, as Red is ready to amplify, or is amplified. Either that brings the score closer for sure, but Waxton getting a zone foul there when Blue is ready to amplify. So here comes Kaiju Jones amplifying. And Red is also ready to amplify. Like they've got a note stuck. Knocked. Still close. Your score is very close. Oh, Abyss putting a couple notes out of the field on that feed. That one did well. Both alliances are ready to amplify. Ambrose puts one in. Oh, very close. Very close match. 7-point difference. 4 fouls. Your Blue Alliance is winning that match 146 to 139. Looked like a clean match. We'll check with the ref.
If that is a clean match, we do have our first B Vibes win.
Yes, that is true.
Hopefully it stays, just so B Vibes can have his first win.
It is a clean match.
Let's go! B Vibes with his first win.
Yes. And that
Hmm.
that's gonna put Kaiju Jones and Abyss in the promotion slots. I think. Should. Yes. And Ambrose and Waxton are staying. So, of course, Pope Declan is able to avoid demotion if Blue Alliance is able to win this match. And yeah, looks like Ambrose is going to avoid demotion since he is with Waxton. But Red must win if Ambrose wants to promote. And if Waxton wants to promote, then they have to win by a pretty heavy margin, 34 points at least. But we'll see how this match goes. A lot's at stake still, because not every role is confirmed. So anything can happen. Hopefully get this match underway. Still waiting on the Red Alliance to fully join the match. And then we will get this match underway. Everybody is in. So we got B Vibes cleaning for the Red Alliance, most likely. So that's actually his first time cleaning this match, or this week,
Tonight.
or today, I guess. So
We'll see how that goes. Looks like we have a singular mini drone on both alliances.
yeah, one Waffles on either alliance, one Mini Drone, and one Citrus. So be a big match, like what was said before. There's a lot at stake. Anything can happen, and we'll get this match underway.
I think whoever wins this match promotes, honestly.
Yes, that is true.
Besides B-Vibes, obviously, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But we'll see who wins. Let's see if he can get his second win. Still anybody's match. Pretty tied, not tied, but pretty close out of auto.
Yeah.
This is honestly the
B-Vibes.
closest I've seen the
B-Vibes
rankings throughout one night.
Yeah.
Because since this is the last match, whoever wins is pretty much promotes since everybody's tied.
Like B-Vibes is ready to amplify on the red side. Starts. Oh, he's getting defended by Pope Declan. Not sure if B-Vibes is in the best position to be cleaning up right now, as there was no warm-up, but he's been playing Waffles all night, so should be fine. Just not being in that cleanup role may affect the outcome. Red is amplified. Pope Declan playing really strong defense. Red has quite a few notes there. B-Vibes just not able to, or the Red Alliance in general, not able to get those notes cleared. With Pope Declan defending the amp cycle. But it's still a close match. Blue's amplified right now, with 15 seconds left on the clock. It's looking like Blue is going to take this match. So your final score is going to be 130 to 102. A much lower score than we've been used to with this division. That score will probably stand.
Score does stand, yes.
Yep. So
looks
final
like. Sorry, you can go.
Looks like your final score is going to stand at 130 to 102 in favor of your Blue Alliance. And we can look at the final scores for that. Obviously, really close. So you have Kaiju Jones and Abyss promoting.
Do Div 3 for next week. Then we have Ambrose and Pope Declan staying. And B Vibes and Waxton falling down, unfortunately.
Yep. Waxton just coming up short on Pope Declan because of total points. And Ambrose having that small lead on Pope Declan because of that tiebreaker as well. You got Kaiju Jones and Abyss tied for all three, so it just results in initial ranking, which Kaiju Jones was ranked 2 at the start and Abyss was ranked 3, so that gives Kaiju Jones the rank 1. But nonetheless, they are both promoting, so they will both be in Division 3 next week. And that will
with
wrap.
that,
Go for
with
it.
that, that's the end of tonight's ladder, and the end of week 5 of ladder as well.
Yes.
Just one more week to go before we reveal the end competition for this event. So make sure to tune in for the rest of the ladder streams. We got 6 more of them to go.
Yeah, that will be
big
very
thanks
exciting.
Big thanks to our streamer Matthew and our ref Logan. Thank you for hosting tonight. Very fun.
Thank you likewise for commentating for us.
No problem. Fun. First time commentating, so.
Did good.
All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.
Yep.
Have a good night.